how it's going to happen. But I also, Natalie Johnston, if you would come down. Miss Browse is going to explain how it's going to work today during the blizzard, so everybody gets a chance, because I want to make sure you all have a chance to hit, because it's your last chance. Because our next assembly, I get to throw rocks at you. Just kidding. Just kidding. It'll be marvelous. Okay. Go. You guys are so good at that. That was a little quiet. Go. That's what I'm talking about. That was excellent. So anyway, I need a helper. So I'm going to be walking around for you to throw things at me. And Natalie, my helper, is also excellent at lots of different things. So I'm going to have Natalie walk around with me because we have to select some people for the book fair. If you throw something at me, and Natalie bends over and picks it up, she's going to run it over to Miss Borowski, and we'll know one of the 10 people who are going to get a book from the book fair. But, you know, it's not safe to walk around with Mr. Linton and have things thrown at you without some equipment. So Natalie will wear that helmet while she's walking around with me. I'm going to now give the microphone to Miss Morowski. I have to go get my equipment on. Okay? You just wait right here.
Hi guys, are you ready? When Mr. Linton is ready, he's going to come out and he's going to go up and down and in and out of the aisles. So if he's over here and you're over here, just wait on your snowballs, okay? He'll come near everybody, maybe more than once. So wait till he comes near you and then you can throw them at him. You ready?
seat. Wow, it's hot. Find your seat. All done snowing. Thank you. All done. Here we go. I've never seen so much pent-up anger in one room. This reminds me of another song by Rafi. It's clean up time. It's clean up time. I'm practicing. Put away the toys. It's clean up time. Okay, I'm going to choose 5 people to clean up the auditorium. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. If your parents saw how eager you were to clean up, they would probably not believe me. I want to make sure we finish by talking about how excellent you guys are. Awesome job. Thank you to Mrs. Capel for organizing the book fair. Thank you to Ms. Morowski for helping with the blizzard. And speaking of excellence, next week, thank you to Mrs. Riddler and Mrs. Hurd. We have this Math Science Technology Fair. That'll be excellent too.